on you. I don't know what it is. I can't put my finger on it, but there's something different. I don't know. If you guys know, if you can find the difference, just let me know in the comments because I got no clue. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today we're going to be getting spooky, creepy, vampire-y. I'm so stoked. I don't know how many times I can do this with my hands. No, seriously you guys, October is finally here. I'm stoked, I'm hyped, I'm ready. We're going to be starting off with a very classic makeup tutorial, something very simple. This is going to be a vampire transformation. It's going to be a wild ride. So we are going to basically jump in. I've got my mirror right here. I'm trying to get like a mirror that I can put on my bed because I film on my bed, if you didn't know that. But I'm trying to get a mirror that I can put on my bed that like doesn't fall over. But you know, what can you do? But yeah, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. If you would like to see my vampire transformation Halloween makeup look, then keep on watching. Hello. So I got you zoomed in. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, get started, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes really quick because I haven't done that yet, shockingly. So basically what we're gonna do is do the eyes first because I want to make sure that they are the main focal point to the makeup, because I mean, you know, vampires are very pale. They don't really have like bronzer or blush or highlight or anything like that on, so you're not going to be able to do too much to the face. So from what you can do with the eyes, it'd be the, you know, the best option. So starting out here, what we're going to do is I'm going to take the Amazonia palette. This is by Face Candy. This palette's really, really good. I like it a lot. And I'm actually going to take this shade right here called Dangerous. This one right here, it's like a kind of like a cranberry deep red shade. So we're going to take that and basically just put it all over the eye. And we're just kind of going in straight with this color. I've used this color before, and the reason that we're doing eyeshadow first is because if you can see this is so powdery. It's a challenge, just let me tell you. And we are going to put that all over the eye, kind of like up to the crease, like we're cutting out the crease, but we're not using concealer or anything, but just all over the eye, and then just blend it up. This is going to be the base of everything. Also, using this color, it will help kind of give the eyes a more like dead, kind of like sunken in look, kind of like bruised look as well. So that's a bonus. And what I'm also kind of doing is I want to wing it out like on the side a little bit. So I'm just taking that same red color and then just winging it like all the way out to the side. And then I'm going to take the Sultry palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to take the Noir shade, this black shade, in that palette right here. I'm going to take that on a Morphe M506 brush, and we are going to put that on the outer corner, like on the outer part of it, kind of mixing it into the outer and the inner part of the lid. And then once you have it on the inner portion like this, then you can go ahead and just kind of connect the two together up top to where they meet in the crease. It doesn't have to be a hard like black line to where they meet, but just kind of blend it to where they kind of meet together. And then just wing it out like so. And then if that red color got kind of lost after the black, then you can definitely go back in and then just put some more of that red down just like that. And then what you can do after you've got this ready, you can take a makeup wipe. You can go along the edge right here and then just like sharpen the wing just like that, and then just kind of get rid of any excess, but it's just to where it looks a bit more sharp. You can also use concealer to do that as well. Just take some concealer, and we'll do that when I put my foundation on, but you can go in and just carve that out, make it as sharp as you want. So this right here is basically it for the eye. Like I said, you guys, it's very, very simple. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to take a black eyeliner. I've got one right here. This is the one from Tarte. It is the Sex Kitten liner right there, and we are going to give us a nice big old wing. And I think that's the biggest wing I've ever done in my life, so let's go back and just clean that up just a little bit. Next, we're gonna go ahead and apply mascara. Honestly, I think that this look would do really good with some fake lashes, but I don't have any fake lashes, and the ones that I do, okay, I do have some fake lashes, but they're like this big, and well, they're like super wispy. They're like very natural looking lashes, and they're like super long, so they don't really like help in this situation. But we're gonna apply probably like 2 coats of this. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and we are gonna get our lashes looking good just like that. So that is about 2 coats of the eyeliner, nope, mascara. And then again, like I said, if you do have lashes, then probably prefer using lashes, but I don't have any right now. So, and the thing is that I don't even really use lashes all that much, but if you want to use them, then you're more than welcome to use them. If you don't have them, then don't worry about it. So basically, that's all we're going to do for the eyes. So I'm going to go through and do my other eye off camera and just kind of get that all done. And then I will come back to you and we'll do the face and the rest of everything else. And I'm back! Okay, so as you can probably tell, I've done a lot more than what I said that I was going to do. I got carried away, so I'm just gonna go over what I did with you guys. So after I did my eye, I did the other eye off camera, did my liner, lashes, all that good stuff, and then I have a lisp because I have my fangs in, so I'll take those out. So after I did my eyes, I went in, I did my foundation. All I did was I actually used my concealer for foundation, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer right here. I just put that all over my face and just blended it out. And then what I did is I went in with my Lunatick Cosmetics Lab palette right here. This is it's a blush contour, I think it's just blush and contour palette, and this is what it looks like right here. And I basically went in with this gray shade right here, and I just contoured my face a little bit on the sides, right there, right there, just to make it look a little more sunken in, a little more dead. So after I did that, can you take these out? Wow, you can! I had no idea that you could take these out and just put them in your own little Z palette. That's awesome. Okay, so that's a new discovery. And then what I did is I applied this Smashbox metallic liquid lipstick. It is the shade Maneater, I believe. It is right here. I applied that all over my lips first, and then I went in and I used the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Witches, and it is this really, really awesome black color right here, if you can see that. Really, really great. And then I just went around and kind of like did like an ombre. It doesn't look that great, but I did what I could, and I just kind of like dabbed it on the sides and did like a little ombre effect in the center and around it. And that was pretty much it for lips. You guys, this is very, very easy to do. Like, it's very easy. And then after that, I put my hair into 2 braids and just kind of slapped them on top of my head, put on my ball cap, and I got this wig last year. This was my Morticia Addams wig from last year, and I just kind of recycled it and used it again for this look because, I mean, vampires and all, they're like black, red, kind of like your dark purple and everything, so it's really, really nice. And then this dress, actually, this is a dress. I have this because my mom's friend gave it to us. She was a really big Stevie Nicks fan, or she is a big Stevie Nicks fan, and she used to wear this all the time, but she doesn't really go to concerts. She doesn't really go to concerts and stuff anymore, so she gave me this dress, and it's really, really nice. Let me see if I can actually show you. I have to like stand up. Yeah, so it's really, really big. It is a floor length dress, and it's like this like suede velvet kind of material. It's really, really nice. And then these 2 necklaces, this is one that I always wear. This is my 1 ring necklace, and then this one right here I've had since I was like in high school. It's just kind of like rustic. I think I got this from like Buckle or Forever 21 a long time ago, and I just put that on because it looked old and rustic. I actually used to have the choker like medallion that Alice used to wear in Twilight, because I was like really big into Twilight when I was like 12 or 13. I still love the movies. Don't at me. I still love the movies, but I know they're not perfect. But I used to have that like medallion choker thing, but I don't know where it went. I think I may have lost it, or else I would have worn that. But that was pretty much it, you guys. I just put this dress on, and that's really it. I did my eyebrows. I used the Benefit to Gimmi brow to do that, and just kind of like went choop 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 choop. And then these are the fangs that I got at Spirit Halloween. You can get them at Hot Topic as well, and or online, but they just basically, they come in a little kit to where they adhere to your teeth. So you make this paste, and then you kind of like, you put it inside the little socket, and they just adhere to your teeth like that. It's basically making a mold out of them, and they're kind of red right now. I just dabbed a little bit of the Smashbox lipstick on the ends of them to make them look a little bloody. I'm not sure if it's safe to do that, but I'm assuming it is because we eat a ton of lipstick every day as it is. But yeah, that's pretty much how I got this look, you guys. It's like really simple, and I like it a lot. But yeah, you guys, that is going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. I had a blast creating this look for you guys. I love vampires. I really do. I really do. I love them so much, and they're just so fun for me. But yeah, I hope that you did like it. If you did, go ahead and click up that like button for me, to subscribe if you want to. Oh my god. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bells out at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.